Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be talking about this Lightbar. It's a 42-inch. It is a China brand. Come here and take a closer look at it. It's a China brand, but I tell you what, this thing here kicks ass. And it is a 42-inch. We got these light brackets right here. We got these from UTV Inc. I wanted a kind of a streamlined look. I didn't want my light bar to be high. So, you know, buying this bracket, I think it worked out perfectly. It kind of blends in with the contour of the roof. And again, this is just preference. We installed this, me and my wife, my awesome wife. It was a little bit of a challenge at first, but once we got it down, once we figured out where the holes were, the wires were the challenge. And it was pretty fun, but we got it done. This is from the passenger side. You need to remove this seat, the passenger seat, front passenger seat, to get access to this terminal area where we made the connection for the light bar. And this is the panel right here. You just remove a few bolts and you're in it. Anyways, we fed, once we made our connection here, with these panels disassembled, we guided the wires all the way around underneath. And again, you guys can do whatever you guys need to do to feed it through. We found a nice little area. We fed the wires through onto the driver's side. All right, so I'm on the driver's side, and once we got the wires through, we fed it through up there all the way above the steering wheel assembly, if you will, all the way up here, came up here. All right, so you're looking at the corner driver's side, the leg area here. There's a roll cage bar from above. We drill a hole for the wire from above to come out of. And so what we did was we bought some extension wires because the kit wires weren't long enough to reach the terminal that I showed you earlier on the passenger side panel. So what we did was we got the 12 gauge wires, we taped it using the electrical tape for some stiffness, and we shoved the wire up that bar all the way up here to this corner where this hole here that we pre-drilled from earlier, and we made our connection up here for the light bar wire and the extension. I think we used the 12 gauge. We made all our connection here, and then we shoved it back down the hole, and again we used the grommets. And underneath the driver's seat leg area, and we made all the connection over here. This panel right here is where I tucked in all the wires from above the light bar. All right, so we also installed a rocker switch, and again we made all a connection back here for the rocker switch. All right, so the rocker switch here, turned it on, and we got the one that says LED light bar. It's pretty cool. It lights up red. All right, so this light bar also came with a remote. It's got all your on-off switches. All right, this is the finished product. I'm using the remote to turn it on. The video here does not do justice. It is so bright. All right, thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions, drop me a message and I'll try and help you guys out. I'm not claiming to be a professional at this. I just learned online. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next time. Peace.